Hi, my name is Jenny and I am doing a packing and review of the mini Kanken. This one measures 21.9 by 20 by 13. This one obviously is pretty popular. It does come in a bigger style, but I like obviously mini backpacks, and this is actually just packed for me. I got this on a resale site for $40. Normally they retail for $70. So let me show you the bag. So the fabric is kind of like a durable canvas. It's kind of smooth, close to I want to say like duck cloth, but smoother. As you can see, there is one zippered pocket here, and then two exterior, and then backpack straps. It looks like you can possibly put in like a shoulder strap so you can crossbody or shoulder carry. And then there's this snap closure so it could hold up the handles when you're not using it, which I think is very cute. Alright, so let's get into the bag. So the front pocket here, I find that it is kind of hard to get into, so I would recommend using small things. Otherwise, if you're trying to put like a big phone, it is kind of hard to get into. And then the side pockets here, it goes pretty high up the bag and then goes all the way down. This pocket I don't have anything in. I put my mask in there. On the other side, I just have snaps. Okay, and then inside the bag, so I do pouch pack, but then I also have an insert in this one, just because I feel like this bag is deep enough and tall enough where things can get lost. Otherwise, I think I would be pouch packing and just packing vertical. So this one is from Amazon, and I think it went for like 15 bucks at the most, but I'll try to find a link below in my in the description. So in the front pocket, I have my pencil pouch. As you can see, there is two pockets in the front. Here I have my white pouch mini with sanitizing wipes. I was gonna put it here, but like this one would actually be hard to get into just because it's just as big as the exterior pocket. So I put it in there. And then I have my jujube small set piece, and this has my makeup, a custom wand that I made, my sunglass case, and a custom jujube pouch with medicine in it as my med pouch. And up here I have my lotion. I think that's it for the insert. And then as you can see, it's pretty much just a big pouch. And with the Kanken, they usually come with a back pocket, which right here I have my planner. Normally it has a foam pad, but since this was, I got it from a resale site, they didn't come with that. So all in all, I do think this is a cute bag. Definitely helps to pack with an insert, in my opinion, just because I feel like you're wasting a lot of space just using the bag itself. But definitely a cute bag, just for myself. Obviously there's still enough room to fit if I needed to my girl stuff. Alright, well that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.